Marlo Thomas pays tribute to her late husband, Phil Donahue, sharing a heartfelt Instagram post and photo after his passing at 88. She shall be taking a break to grieve and care for herself and those who loved him. Mike Lange, 59, UK tech founder, acquitted in fraud trial, dies in Mediterranean yacht sinking alongside daughter and others. Peers remember him as a visionary whose tragic passing cuts short his second life and future innovations. Arthur connects with Tim Wild's artistic son Gus through her own experience with her son Georgie, celebrating their unique authenticity and highlighting the need for supportive communities and workplaces to combat loneliness and isolation. Alan Delon's family refuses to grant his wish to euthanize his dog, Lubo, to be buried with him, following backlash from animal rights activists. Instead, Lubo will stay with the family. Chelsea willing to sell Raheem Sterling just 2 years after €50 million transfer, leaving him out of recent squads and reassigning his number 7 shirt. WHO expert says Mpox can be controlled and stopped with strong action, including targeted vaccine distribution, and is not like COVID 19.